When you're fitting skirting boards in a corner, what happens if you cut both of these at 45 degrees and you put them up against each other, you'll find, because it's such a big skirting board, that you'll always have a gap there. So the way around it is to cut this one here, it's shaped so it fits on here. So what you need to do is get the shape of this using one of these things, and then what we'll do then is get this shape and put it onto here, and I'll do that and I'll show you. Okay, make sure you get the shape, so you push all those little bits of metal right down. So now I've got the shape. Then what you do is, once you've got that shape, so this is going to fit snugly into this skirting board here. So we need this shape here, so we're going to cut this out like that, and then cut down to here, then here it just goes straight. So it's going to look like this. So what's going to happen is that I've got to put the phone down, but I'm going to pencil this and I'll cut it out and I'll show you. Okay, so what I need to remove is all of this bit here. Then I'll have something left over that will fit perfectly into that. Okay, this is a piece that's already been cut in that shape, and then you can see if this skirting here goes to the corner, I'll get it to stand up right, this goes into a corner, I don't have to worry about 45-degree cut. This one is going to come in and basically sit on it like that, and we get a beautiful, beautiful finish, as opposed to cutting at 45 degrees. I cut it really quickly with a jigsaw, but when you put it up against it, see, it doesn't quite fit. So you mark with a pencil where you need to sand it back a little bit more, and then use some wood files. Okay, using the wood files, I've filed the bits that I want, and now we have a pretty snug fit. So you can see I've got a pretty snug fitting corner there, the skirting board. I need to pull this press tin out, pack it up behind a bit. As you can see, fits beautifully.